Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. How are we all doing? Area A. My morning view. I hope you guys are fine. Please give this video a thumbs up. I bring Naira Marley and mohbad. Naira Marley, not bring mohbad. Naira Marley drop our statement. I supposed to don't do this video since, but I was carried away with another thing. My people, I would like us to read this right talk when Naira Marley drop. You feel they read your own. Any place I not pronounce well, pardon me, pronounce it, okay? Read it. I not too sabi read, but I love to do what I'm doing. Naira Marley say everybody acting like they are trying to help. They are not trying to help. Naira Marley na talk. Naira Marley say everybody now they pretend like say they want help mohbad. Mohbad don't me. Let help. Many of them they are not happy. Let ourselves the truth. That is true. My last video I upload, I say many people they say mohbad at the end will monetize the video, we will make revenue out of it. Who don't buy, don't buy. And the family, they mourn, they bitter, they cry, in fact, their mind is bitter. But we are here shouting. Mostly on those Instagram. Let's go further. Mohbad was my boy. He lived with me before getting his own place. Naira Marley say mohbad na he boy. He lived with him before he gets a place. He said, according to Naira Marley, he said, if someone does not love you that much, they will not bring you close to them. That is true. If someone not really love you, they will not bring you close. They will not bring you close. That is why I never, if Naira Marley really have hand on this mohbad, I will not judge. Let the government, and let God judge. Somebody who help person, I will not join people, no matter what. No. When mohbad was hunting in the street, doing music, how many people help him? When mohbad dey street, hunting, looking for favor for here and here, how many people really help this guy? Nobody. How many people took him in? Nobody. It's Naira Marley talking. I saw this young man full of talent. Wow. And like him, sign him. His contract expired and he left. Everybody acting like they are trying to help. I'm not trying to help. Everybody now they try to act like they are helping and not trying to help. Okay. Why are they? Okay, why? He said, why are they directing the conspiracy towards me? I feel like they know many things. I believe that people around them know a lot of things. He said, why did they point hand against him? Why did they point hand? He feel like those people pointing hand, those people know something about mohbad. If they stop talking, if they stop taking the conspiracy, we will find through Naira Marley. My people, according to this guy, for me, nobody is perfect. For me, we pray for God. Say, when talking to somebody or having misunderstanding with somebody, that person should not buy through there. That person should not give up through there. That person should not, so that they will not point finger. Many of us have one, with our friend before, argue things. When people now start pointing hand toward this Naira Marley, those things Naira Marley, pick out. Those are the things I always pick to myself. This boy was on streets. I know some people will help you at the end, they will pay you with the other side. But according to Naira Marley, the only thing that don't make me to quickly judge Naira Marley, I look at both of them. Yes, as a youth, as a guys who they hustle for streets, they do anything or do, mistake must come, argument must come, quarrel must come. You understand? It must come. Then everybody will go their separate way. As far we not catch Naira Marley with red-handed, like say, you understand? we're not supposed to point our finger. I mentioned one of my video. I said this guy helped this guy out of street. He not buy at that time. When this guy there with this guy, when he sign a contract, this guy, many video when they fly up and down, say, Naira Marley do this one, Naira Marley do this one. Naira Marley no even dey house. When some of the boys, can beat that guy, say, if they destroy something for house, the moment the guy takes something, he heard the twins, This guy not there around when he friend take beat am. Okay, they say he still do something again. When he make the guy say, go your separate way, let me be. Because if we can tie God self, this guy will come up for this Naira Marley hand. Nobody really know. Anybody when they talk, we don't know where God, I wish he did Naira Marley hand. And this kind of thing can't happen. Ha! Naira Marley, may our good, and may somebody not do good for us when he go carry us go early grave. And may our good not make us to find ourselves in a problem. Now, two ways. Those people when they shout, Naira Marley, Naira Marley, Naira Marley, there is one lady, they call her Iyabo Ojo. Iyabo Ojo, you when you pronounce, I never call you, I never talk about you. You when you say, this guy, when you meet this guy in UK, the way the guy was shaking, Auntie me, I want to, why can't you give this guy at least a minute of your time to talk to you? It's just like me now, somebody, he needs my, a minute of time to talk to. Maybe we are together, they see him the way they act, they are asking what they do. He say, you want to talk to me a minute. And if he give her that time of a minute, not calling, not calling. Some people will say, oh, don't be somebody they call. Not be by call like they talk. See me, see you, because I'm close to you. You call, you don't know what they do that time. Some people when they verse say that they call, you call. Everybody they busy. Everybody they busy. If you don't get what they use your time, they do. Please channel your time for something else. You understand? When you call somebody, that person not pick your call. You're not supposed to carry nose like, let me leave that side. When you see this guy under your nose, you know act. When this guy just me, it's like Naira Marley collect, in fact, the thing when you cherish more. I hope I calling to wait see the information, the write-up when they see to. I never see that one. Naira Marley saying go drop people when drag her. Now go face the law. Whether una see mohbad for your hand, everything una accuse am for, me una ready for Naira Marley o. And me, I go dey break the news come here wutu. If that thing venture happen, I will follow up the update. May God give me strength. That time, I go including my old beautiful Toto DK. I like you before. No, this one, you fall my hand. Who you? I see you involving yourself with Naira Marley. And Naira Marley buy am. You see am for your hand. This guy was supposed to appreciate and say, we never know what he require the guy. Let's appreciate him. He removed this guy for street. A lot of youth dey street today. Nobody to remove them. We get many musicians. He get one guy where I go find now. Whether I go see a video, I'll use mohbad and the guy and Naira Marley to talk. This boy, somebody to sign a contract, he not see. I'm very talented. He say he see somebody, what they call this guy, he want sign now. The guy not sign. If Naira Marley now come across that kind of boy now, sign am, twist am. People when they don't know, when they are bad done am before, they will start to talk about am. May God not let, in fact, our death time, let people call it talk about us. When we are alive, let people talk about us. Let people celebrate us. Let people, spread our good things. When this boy they are alive, nobody know am. Nobody know am. But when this boy, everybody play music, including America, everywhere, all over the world. Naira Marley, make not many people they buy for Nigeria. But Naira Marley bring am for the red light for people to see. He pay me, those people who just sit down, drag Naira Marley for just no reason. One can make the guy now, no can get that mind, that vibe to help people. What about if I help this person now? What about, in mind will come they double, they think, in mind will things will come they, good. He really put smile for that boy, but me say person they help you, wait till you meet that person. If the person they choke himself, if that person they do something when say not good, good for your head, you go continue. No, now the oil when you find go there, now you supposed to fix. I see here when they say, oh, Naira Marley, they take this thing. If they take this thing, and they spoil. No, 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 no. Good child. Pikin when get brain. If you go find honey and you get there, you see say others they do nonsense, others they do this, other you wetin carry you comot for house. That honey and milk when you go chase, now you supposed to face the chase. Good child not supposed to reach there say, oh, now this thing this person they do. No be say the thing they bring the money for you when you they see. No be say na true that you they make the money when you want. No, say this person they take, you must take. No. Good child, when you get there, no take that thing. Look for that honey, that milk. Take it, go use it and do something. If your boss, devil, they take, I tell you, say take, you will say no. If na that thing want bring una, you will not say, na helper of to destroy your destiny. Not be helper to repair you. Helper to destroy your destiny. If Naira Marley they take like this, and you can't go there, can't sign you go say you no take like this. He say you go must take. Without you not take like this, you will go. You understand? You not tie rope for your waist. But if you not start to take like this, then you like the vibe. Let's tell ourselves the truth. You like the vibe. I know some people when they don't take seed, I know the odor. Waiting first day your mind. Now you go do. Waiting not day your mind. If person want try to push am, okay, I'm coming. If person want try to push and put, as far as say you be good child, you go, deviate yourself from it. Me say you will become musician, you must take. Me say you become musician, waiting that your boss musician they do, you must do one. No. Be humble. Respect yourself. Know the house you come out from. No imitate anybody. Do your thing. For me, my own, I know maybe I use am just to my children, they distract me. Naira Marley don't come outside. It's they tell people now say, when he removed this boy for street, all of now they are alive. When he signed this boy, all of now they are alive. He not buy him. Why now when the boy don't dey own? Why he want buy the boy? Now the question in the ask. And those people who drag him unnecessary, you guys should wait. Oh, Naira Marley is waiting. He's waiting. He's waiting. And unless it's too many people. Waiting you not see, no talk. Waiting you not see for person hand, you not hear for person mouth, no talk. Wait till the person speak, then you can use it to talk. My people, and this one I talk. And if you be young youth, you are embark on anything. If somebody want sign you, you love to be a musician. Be a musician. No do waiting that your boss they do. If your boss they do the good thing, how to invest, how to do it. But if your boss they take, and you see say your brain, or the home when you for comment. Not try am like this guy now. Papa na pastor. I call him wetin I hear. Papa say the land. I say fail respect your son. Which kind of land? My people, let me live now. Till I meet you in my next video. Always try to encourage your children, encourage your loved one, encourage people around you. Not everything you see on streets you will put your body. Take drink be very very careful. No hope when you for come. You see me say I take. You see your papa take. If your papa will take, no take. If your mama will take, no take. You know they help, you know good. My people, Naira Marley don't come out, so we dey wait. So if the news start, I will dey break am woto. I will hold that news well. Photo this and Iyabo Ojo. Na news I will hold am well. Mostly Iyabo Ojo. Naira Marley wetin do you? Wetin do you? Oh, everybody, You know like that.
You go bow for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I dey win by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl insult, oh. I'm a mind that you the talk, oh. I put my life into my job and